All right, why your Webflow websites is empty? Why your Webflow CMS is empty? So many people, they go to Webflow and create a website, which is very good, very good to use. With Webflow, I use Webflow for many of my clients, but usually for blogging, I use WordPress, which is easy to push and manage all the things. But yeah, but the main thing people forget is, by the way, in the WordPress, it's easy to set up some schema and every single thing, but we have all the plugins in there, etc. In Webflow, it's very tricky to have a schema markup. Now, if I take you to the schema markup, they will guide you how to add. But in order to do all this, complicated things, what you can do is you can simply go to norwal.com, connect your Webflow. So if I go into the integration, and here in the integration, click on create integration, and here you have a Webflow, click on it, and then get the API token and authenticate the token, and you can select this publish immediately, or you can turn this off if you want your article to send it in a draft mode, and then later you can publish. And then you can also select the site, domain, etc. You have many customization, and then what you can do is go into the campaigns, and here you can click on new campaign and start running your campaign. Every single day you can add articles, and every single day you can run without even going into the Webflow, and it will do everything for you, including the schema markup, etc. Okay, so this is how you automate entire SEO blog articles in a Webflow if you're not using WordPress, if you're using this CMS system.